The Rennsport Reunion 7 featured the remarkable Sonderwunsch and Restoration Challenge, which illuminated the vibrant culture and meticulous craftsmanship synonymous with the Porsche brand. The Restoration Challenge was an exciting competition where Porsche Centers from across the United States were invited for the first time to participate, showcasing their remarkable restoration and customization skills across 3 categories: preservation, restoration, and individualization. The event took place at WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca from September 28th to October 1st, 2023, with judging carried out during the reunion to crown the winners of the 2023 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge.